Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a refresher, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged into your accounts. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin, so handling it properly is key to avoiding any losses. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and navigate to the Assets tab. Find USDT in your list of holdings and select it. Then, tap on the Withdraw or Send button. Depending on the app's latest update in 2025, it might look a bit different, but it's usually straightforward. Next, in Step 2, you'll need to get the wallet address from Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app. Go to the USDT asset. Remember, USDT typically runs on the Ethereum network, so select that if prompted. Copy the wallet address by tapping the Receive button and choosing USDT. Now, back in Coinbase Wallet, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but double-check everything. Fees can vary, so look for any network fees displayed and make sure you have enough to cover them. Step 3. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, the address, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the incoming USDT. A quick tip: always use the correct network. Stick to ERC20 for USDT to avoid sending it to the wrong place. And remember, crypto is irreversible, so verify everything twice. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn USDT from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. If this helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe in the crypto world.